Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking you on a very simple topic, and I'm going to try to make this video as short as this is our normal dashboard we always use whenever we are trying to work on a WordPress tutorial video. Okay, so I'm currently at the dashboard at the plugin section. So I want to just tell you something that is very important for the security and integrity of your site. And what I'm talking about is basically malwares and viruses, okay, and PHP backdoors. All right, so let's take for example, you're trying to get your site to do something, and somebody gave you a plugin, okay, be it a friend, be it an enemy, be it an acquaintance, a business partner, whatever. Somebody gave you a plugin, and you are to install that plugin on your very important site. How will you know if that plugin is actually safe to use, or if there's actually a virus inside that plugin that will at the long run affect your site? Because some viruses inside some plugins and themes actually don't have affect the site immediately. It takes a while, say 1 week, 3 weeks, 1 month after, before you start seeing so many malicious things happening. Example of things that can be happening is sometimes when somebody comes and he loads your sites, when they load your website, you just see that the website, once the website loads, you see some unnecessary adverts appearing in around the website. Or if you click anywhere on the website, a new link will automatically open in the new tab that will be telling you about some adverts, cash to win, so many irrelevant and malicious adverts coding. All right, so quickly I'm going to be taking you on the simple steps on how to be able to identify which plugin and which theme is actually bad for your site, that actually has viruses and malware. So before you receive any theme or plugin, or you download it from any website, be it Node or not Node, I would advise you do the following. Let's go to my file manager. Let me quickly show you some files I've already brought out for this particular tutorial. I saved it in this folder. Okay, so these are the two files. You see, they are innocent looking. Okay, Innotura Health and Medical WordPress Team, Node, and Taxi Pack 165. Okay, these are both templates. You can also do the same thing with plugins if you are giving a plugin. Okay, so quickly I'm going to be taking you on to a site. Many newcomers and the business don't really know this site, but I'm going to be introducing you to the site today. The name of the site is called VirusTotal.com. Once you go to VirusTotal.com, this is what you're going to see. So it's loading. We now have VirusTotal.com. So you can see from VirusTotal.com, this is basically a site that can scan virtually everything you upload on it or any link you give to it to be able to tell you if there are viruses, malwares, backdoor, or so many other things. Okay, this one site has so many antivirus definitions incorporated inside it that makes it really stand out among all other sites. So quickly now, for us to test if our files we have downloaded has virus, we'll just quickly come look for the files. Let me close this tab quickly. We'll just quickly come look for the files in that folder. Let's start with Taxi Pack. So if Taxi Pack actually has virus, we'll drag it and we'll drop. So it will start computing the hash. You see it's uploading. It will scan that file, and if you go to the top, you look at your result, you can see 0/63, which shows that no security vendors have flagged this file. You will see that the file is actually very clean. Everything is showing as undetected. This means that this particular file or this particular plugin or this particular theme is actually free and allowed for you to use. Okay, but let's go and test the second one and see. So we are trying to use the Innotura this time around. Let's upload the Innotura here. So it's computing the hash. Oops, you can see 1/61, and it is shining red. You can see that what actually happens is that one of the security definitions, which is ESET Note 32, has seen that there is a virus inside this particular file. So if you have any file that you scan and the file is like this, I would not recommend you to install it on your site at all, or else you stand the risk of infecting malware on your site. So this is basically the simple step you can use to know which plugin is good and which plugin is not good for you to install on your site, and it works for plugins and themes. So I hope you learned something from this particular tutorial. So let me take you quickly before I round up to the homepage of VirusTotal. So from the homepage you can see that it's not just files you can upload. You can see that there is URL. You can type the URL of the website or the particular file you want to see to check if it actually has virus or malware or phishing or backdoor or whatever. You just type in the URL here and you are good to go. You can also see that you can search by IP, you can search by domain, you can search by file hash, you can also search by URL to see if there is actually virus in whatever it is you are trying to do. So this tutorial is very easy and straight to the point, and I would recommend you always do this whenever you want to upload a plugin or a theme on your WordPress blog. This will save you a whole lot of money from trying to do malware scan, from trying to get rid of malware and paying developers and paying for site lock and paying for so many things you're going to pay. This simple step I've showed you now is going to prevent virus from attacking your site. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Be Good Nation on YouTube. Very important. We teach you every single thing you need to know about WordPress, about installation of WordPress, about management of your WordPress website, and about so many things technologically related. Please click on the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to receive our videos whenever we upload them. Thank you and see you in the next video.